Contrix Watch. This is Sir P. Now, recently, you would have seen the video about the movie star-ish, Hollywood-ish, Netflix-ish car chase that took place and finished in Harborview when the police pulled off a pit maneuver on a car full of 87s. They had just recently carried out one of their criminal operations. About 5 people were injured, 1 ended up losing life. Police chased them down. One big thing. The car was also travelling with government plates. Government plates where, like if you understand, 87s to go around and look for the old parked vehicle where the police just left by the place, because a lot of those vehicles are not displaced, are not disposed of properly. Enough of them park and the place still up on them. So 87 just thief them and put them on for them vehicle. Scary thought. Anyway, that was related to the ongoing beef war going on in Tel Aviv, and I'm not talking about Israel. I talk about the Tel Aviv in central Kingston. It's currently a feud between the genocide man them and the dark side man them. If you hear them two names there, you know say no only for negotiations now go on. If you hear them two names there, you know say ain't gonna be no talking over or no handshake. Them names kinda tell you what they're about. But the latest major incident took place in Spanish Town, of all places. Made a race? You could have wanted to say, but no man, Sir P, I make a mistake. Made a race, how them lay people for race. That's why it's like name, made a race. No, not only that's where them lay people for race, that's also where them lay out people flat on the ground. Because the way Jamaica spooky right now, you might turn up to a funeral, you might turn up to somebody else's funeral, and then your family end up having to start plan your funeral. And this is what happened in this case. People went to the burying of a young man by the name of Troy Turlong. He was a member. Funnily enough, he was actually a part of both gangs. He switched from one to the other. You know them think they got already. 87s are not generally forgiving when you switch upon them. End up losing life. And you know it got already, even though government say small burial, you know you can't tell people none. Right? People are got them big funeral. Big funeral is Jamaican tradition. Government can talk till them blue. People are gonna do them on. Coastal load of people gone. But you see, the funeral was mostly woman and pitney. That's because 87s no say certain funeral, especially outer town funerals, have to be avoided. 87s know the game. You see, the funeral is local and a film turf for them can lock it off and of them people that watch the lane, then they will go. But 87 no go out of town funeral. So, be a woman and pitney, I come back from the funeral. Here comes the 87s. Them are hiding in a bush, and if anybody know how Mother Rest stay, when you are left Mother Rest, you have some only bushy part where it's easy to ambush somebody. Very easy. You know, people been asking me then, so people, Tel Aviv man reach a Spanish Town, maybe they must have links with, that's possible, but to be honest, based on which part it go down, you don't really need a links for ambush nobody right there. So them could have just travel like them and go and Mother Rest too, and then just come out and go hide in the bush, jump out and then go with them and then take with themselves afterwards. It's not like say them carry this out in a Jones Avenue, or them carry this out in the middle of Lariston, or the middle of De La Vega City where you know it's alright. They must have some links with them and them to be able to go operate this. So, but which part is happening in the middle race, it's possible to say there's no link between the Spanish Town 87 them. Even though, fun fact, well, not really fun, but one of the major players in the whole Tel Aviv conflict, him actually there in the same location as Andre Blackman Brian. And supposedly, no linking is supposed to can go on, whether in the jailhouse or outside, but you don't know how to say it go already. Right. Most of the hits them still are come from jailhouse. Right. Man them at jail have more information than the man them at the road. When things go down, people where they are road, if you ask people where they are jail, what happened? Let that sink in. Anyway, man them wet up the bus, they know 87 style already for them wild thing. When the smoke clear, 2-year-old Pitney injured. There were multiple victims, but 2 women lose them life and a baby. You know, get a road, but thankfully it look like the baby I go survive. Genocide and dark side. A long time them two at it, you know, to the point to be honest, I not even remember. Jamaica have some communities where for them beef are going for so long, right, and it's so under the radar that you almost tempted to think say things quiet. Like Dunkirk and them place there. Right. Remember for years whenever you hear nothing about Dunkirk in the mainstream news, even though people are dropped left, right and centre. Right. Certain parts of Mobile shooting going right through and it now make the news. Right. So Tel Aviv stay. So that's why when the big thing go down with the government plate pro box, right, I know this, right? When you take an incident like that and the coaster bus one, if you put it in the spotlight. So people say, oh, things are going to Tel Aviv. But they one man here so, then one man dead back, then one man here so, them things they make news. Notice a year time when a year say 1,300 miles of Jamaica. Over the course of the year, you don't hear so much stories in the mainstream news. You take 3 or 4, you take a major, you take a spectacular event like pit maneuver and car flip over for certain communities come to the spotlight. What I want people in Jamaica to realize is this. As me say, the two incidents them link, right, there are other shootings. As a matter of fact, since the bus thing go down, me said them go retaliate. Right. What I want people in Jamaica to understand is this. Within the year, I say, you can't trust 87s. Don't friend 87s. Don't aid 87s. Now if you understand why, think about this. The man them, right, say them a go a funeral. Right. Of all the places they could go, them choose a funeral, which is, that's what they call a soft target. Right. So them a go deliver reprisal. You know them thing they got already. Them could have tackle anybody. Them could have go after anybody. Them could have look for a group of, you know who the man them go for? The man them take on a coaster bus full of beer, woman and pitney. When you see the video of the aftermath, you can see the 2 women in the bus same way, and next woman lie down on the top. Right. P woman and pitney in the bus. Most woman and pitney, because me say 87s and most man in general now go no out of town funeral for the 87 because them know them thing they got already. Whether police are come pressure it or other 87 might pass through and wet it up. This is why I always find it funny when me see even kerosene defend 87s, because it's a matter of, alright, you might know this one, I like this one, but it's the one that you don't want to like you, wait till him catch you on funeral. Wait till him catch you come from work, wait till him catch you on bus stop. You're dealing with brutes, the man them went up a bus, pure woman and pitney, 2-year-old. I come from, so while you are come from funeral and mourn, your family now go start mourn. Soft target the man them go for. Where you think them like go? You think them like go reach on the scene, right? Oh, and say, oh look, I be a woman and pitney, make a turn back. They don't care. Once they make up their mind, say they might go up on them criminal apps. Once they reach the location, somebody have to get hurt. Yeah. Especially the one them already take them there at coke, right? And drink with them and drink and get themselves in the mood and get hyped up. Once them reach and see people like that, all the people them when they come from them there, somebody will get it. I know that These two women lose them life. Baby get injured. Multiple people on the bus get injured, right, but survive. All of them have brother. All of them have cousin. All of them know somebody. So retaliation are going for that. And I missed them already here say shooting going since the bus thing. Right. But when you see something as major as that bus operation, them are going to retaliate with something major to them. Are going to retaliate with one, 3, 4, 5 people one time. That's how the badness will go. So right now, Central Kingston is tense. Everybody I wonder what's next. Who's next? Right. Nobody really want to linger up on the corner. Right. Parents even send them picnic go somewhere, they might tell them to hurry up. Right. Peer fretting. That's no way to live. At that point, you're basically like a mental prisoner in your own place. Right. Crime can make people be free, as in them dip on the road, them don't go horizon. Right. In the GP, them dip on the road, but them feel like prisoners. Right. So the security forces them have to go deal with this. They have to go up on the front foot. Right. After the operation, where them flip over the car with the pit maneuver, right. Once they make the link between our Tel Aviv man them, security forces have to go up on the front foot right through. Right. This stop one operation and say, alright, well done, and because so I got me. I understand, so them can't do everywhere, every time, that's fear. Right. But you have to disrupt these gangs, because once them get a 2-3 day where them comfortable and them can start plan and reorganize, then them can carry out foolishness like this. But it's a sticky situation, you know, because if them really put certain pressure upon them money, if them really start pressure genocide, them really start pressure dark side and start running left, right and center, you know what gonna happen? People are go ball say, you fight against the youths them, you fight against, every day you come down here and you go see them PR agent them run in front of the screen and tell you say, they know, every meet them down here, what down here so, I wonder if gold down here. You know, I'm full of style already. You look like some gold down here, cause every minute them down here. So, I don't know. Yeah. That's what I'm telling you, say, in a bad man place, when you hear people that complain and say, every minute police are pass through, war are going, you know, and people are complaining every minute police are pass through. Guess who those people work for? Guess what other people would say that? People who don't mix up on the foolishness can never complain. Say, security forces have a presence in our community that is so volatile and shut a fire every minute. Those people want more police presence. They want more JDF to pass through. I say them to camp out right through and stop people from living them normal life. But people want to see. People want to walk on the road and say, oh, so one Jeep that come. Alright, that means that the more they might lay low now. That's how non-criminal elements think. Right. So when you favorite kerosene now, when you favorite 87 on TV, I tell them, say, I don't know what them doing here for. What do you mean they don't know what them doing here for? Shut a fire every night and man go come on TV come tell us he don't know why police down there. Every other day somebody lose them life and man go tell us he don't know why police down there. Then just coming after those pressure people. But the security forces must not be deterred by these agents, because what happens is they end up leave law-abiding people at the mercy of these criminals. Right? Them leave the people them who don't mix up in the badness at the mercy of these 87s. Because if them turn to the community, the agents them come out, right? Them say, alright, them the one we done here, alright, you know, look good, the PR not good, we could take care of yourself. That's exactly what 87s want. But smaller, intelligence-driven operations, in my opinion, are the only way to disrupt these organizations. I mean, surely it can't be that hard, right? For disrupt and dismantle genocide and dark side. These organizations, even though they have 87s that are capable, as we see, right, of carrying out, right, some vicious acts, in terms of sheer numbers and manpower and resources, they're not as big as a stone crusher back in the day, or Klansman, or one of them. They don't have the sheer numbers. So the security forces isn't stumped based on dealing with the amount of man, because that was not the problem with dealing with clans back in the day. The amount of 87s, right, spread out all over Spanish Town, Ghana, and Linstead, and them places, it was simply difficult to keep track of them. Tel Aviv man them, Central Kingston man them, packed up in a small geographical area, surely the Jamaican security forces and the government with all the resources can do something about this. We can only see how we get caught tonight. Even time the pro box with the government plate go do the drive-by, the man them now take out no whole heap of top 87s. Them say pull up on ends and who get it. Man them say coaster bus, who get it. It's madness. That can't be a civilized society. A civilized society in a run, so. Them think that things are going on a lawless banana republic. The government have to do something about it. Too much lives are being lost senselessly. And every time we talk about these cases, it's like, okay, 2 gone, and then the next day we forgot about it, move on to the next story. I have to remember that these are people. These are real people, real lives, real families being torn apart. Man, them have to do something. Right. The state of all this power and all these resources, right? They can literally, if they want information from somebody, they can link Interpol. They have everything what they want. But either them can't do it, or them don't want to do it. Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Look out for an episode of Big People's Corner tomorrow. This episode will be me talking to the ladies them, talking to the woman them, the wives, the girlfriends, whatever. I'm going to tell you some things on the female friends are telling them. I'm going to tell you some things that when time woman I get advice, man, them left out this because them don't really know man like that. Enough woman I get advice and tell them things that them don't know man like that. I'm going to tell them the real deal. I'm going to tell them how enough woman help set up the man for failure. I'm saying failure I mean in terms of small head failure. You know, woman say man a dog and man a, and I can't believe into this. Ladies, I'm going to tell them how enough woman help set up on a man for failure. I can't even go into details. Yeah. You'll hear it tomorrow anyway. Patreon.com, Politics Watch, link in the description, check it out. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.